What's up guys, today I bring you an amazing opportunity that you simply can't miss. BP Systems has just released a massive Halloween sale on all his Unreal assets, where you can get them with a 50% discount. But this is only for a limited time. The sale will end on October 24th, so go quick. In case you don't know BP Systems, he is one of the best Unreal asset creators out there. His assets include the famous Combat Fury, FPS Toolkit Lite, Dodger Component, and many more. I have made multiple reviews on his assets as Combat Fury, FPS Toolkit Lite, and so on, so you can check them out. Alright, check out the sale right now through the affiliate link in the description and using the coupon code BPGorka in all caps. And you will also gain access to them on your Epic Games launcher from the Gumroad page, so don't worry about that. And the only reason on why I am so excited about this sale is because his assets always give that AAA vibe, where everything is super polished and looks and feels amazing. So click the link in the description and use the coupon code GorkaBP. With that said, bye bye.